discussed in the last class that many times we may have some researchable issues, questions, problems for which we want to answer or find a solution. For that, you want to verify, check some units. Okay, that could be the entire population. You check it and you find your answer, find your solution. Solution means you have got some business problem, and answer means you have got some hypothesis. What are the synonyms of hypothesis? Abhijit Charangi, Mirza, jaldi bolo. Proposition, assumption. Okay. So to start with, you have to have some preliminary assumption, which we call it hypothesis, and that has to be verified. So for verification, for testing, you need some units. The question is, should we take the population or should we go for the sample? We have already explained many times this population is out of reach, out of question because of many factors. One factor could be limited resource, other factors we had discussed, like inaccessible, very large, and testicle destruction, if you remember, right? Now, when you are testing here, we had suggested that first you have some hypothesis. Hypothesis is of two types. One is null hypothesis, another is alternative hypothesis. When you are testing, you should have a test formula based on your assumption. Suppose you remember, we had given many examples. One, whether boys and girls, they are alike, equal. So here could be like say average efficiency of boys should be equal to average efficiency of girls. Okay, if you presume that girls are better, alternative you can do it like that girls are better like this. Okay, Abhijit, wait for 2 minutes, and other things. So if it is one-sided, we call it one-tailed test. And if you have not equal to, like average marks efficiency of girls, average efficiency of boys, they're not equal, then we call it two-tailed test. Okay. So now coming to the question what Abhijit was asking, how do you know the test level of significance? We call it level of significance, or in short LOS, which we call it alpha percent. So the alpha percent, usually we do it at 5% or at 1%, and many times this is what we will be following so far as our syllabus is concerned, but many times you can go up to 10% testing also. The meaning here is what you are suggesting to the public as per your hypothesis testing the result, that you presume, you suggest, you test that whatever you are telling, so this will be almost true up to 99% cases. Okay, and if you are testing here, you will be telling that it will be, I'm sorry, here this is, sorry for the error, and this will be 99%. Okay, now as we had suggested in testing of hypothesis, what do we do? We test a sample with some prior assumption, which we'll be calling as hypothesis, right? And we had 4 steps, as you correctly suggested. One would be, what are the hypotheses? Thesis means plural, that includes null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis, right? Then second step is, as per the need, as per the question, you have to have your test formula, okay? Then once you are finding the formula, you put the values and you get calculated value, okay? So once you are getting the calculated value, then you compare means compare calculated value with tabulated value, right? So this is what we had suggested in the last class. And as for the comparison result, then you conclude, okay? So in this conclusion, usually what we write, accept or reject the null hypothesis, okay? This is what we do always, because the decision will be on null hypothesis, right? And this tabulated value we can have from the table, particularly for large sample test, okay? In large sample test, we have to check whether it is one tail or two tail, okay? Then the values we have to use in two tail. This will be, if you remember, we had taken example. So this will be 1.96 or 2.58. This last time I had suggested just for clarification, but today we will take more example so that it will be more clear. The example that we had discussed last class, it is actually one tail test, and though that was first session, I had taken two tail test values, but actually we should have taken one tail value, okay? Are you getting me, Gautami, Avik, Itisri? If the same question which I had discussed in the last class would be coming, you should not take 1.96, 2.58, rather the one tail test values. So now, as we have already discussed, usually we test either at 5% or at 1%. And these four values, all of you have to mug it up. All of you have to remember. Two tail test, 1.96, 2.58. One tail test, whether it's left or right, both are same, 1.645 and 2.33. All of you write it down. I'll be using this, and in exam, this value will not be given. We have to remember this. Okay. Then we had discussed the type of test, one tail test left, one tail test right hand side, and two tail test with examples. I'm happy that your section today gave some examples of this. And this, if you recall, usually in hypothesis, what we do, we check what you are observing, how much it is different from the expected value. So the numerator, you are actually checking, testing, verifying the difference. If the difference is too large or negligible, chalega, tolerable, or it is significantly highly different. And this you are dividing with the standard error or standard deviation. This ratio is the general formula for testing of hypothesis, okay? Now, this we had also discussed in the last class. that the critical region, which is in the two extreme sides, are shaded here, and this critical region is nothing but the rejection area. If value found here, then you are rejecting the null hypothesis. And if it is coming within this area, this variation we have to tolerate, we have to accept it. So some minor fluctuation we have to bear. If it is higher, then we have to reject it. Okay, this was the classification we have already covered, and we suggested if it's a small sample, we'll be applying t-test, which we'll be doing it later in the next class. And for large sample test, we may have one sample, the way we have done in the last class. This is the formula. And if it is you are comparing two samples, then this will be the formula. I'll be repeating some more example of large sample test, one sample test, and I'll be using this formula only. Okay. Next class, we'll be going for two sample. One of you can remind me, and small sample test, one by one. Okay. This formula, all of you are required to remember. Better you can write down in a notebook. Okay. I believe we have already discussed CT scan machine example. All of you are clear, and yes, this should be tested as one sample test and one tail test. Okay. I request you read this question twice. Have you done this?
No, sir.
All of you take a screenshot. I'll be stopping it, and we'll have a discussion.
In the campus recruitments, there is a selection of the actual practice in comparison to the bookish theory which students are having. So from this, the software company has recruited recently 95 such fresh students and has put them on on-job probation observation. And the 95 trainees took average of 7.2 days.
Don't read one by one. Hope you have read already twice. From this, Shivanishwaro, is a large sample test or small sample test, and why?
It's a large sample test.
Because it's more than 30. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Ashish Paikara, it is one tail test or two tail test, or you don't know? If you know, why? Quick, save time.
Sir, it is a one tail test.
Why?
Sir, only yes.
Who are you?
Sir,
don't say I'm Ashish Paikara.
Sir, campus recruiter.
You are recruiting now, or where are you now? Where are we now in the case? What you are doing now?
So we are observing the student.
You have already recruited. You belong to HR, and probation observation you are doing. You are observing what? Samhita Panigrai.
Sir, we are observing at the new recruiters at
how
the
fast they learn, how fast they pick up things. Okay, so the average time will vary from candidate to candidate.
Yes, sir.
Ashwatratha, Sudhanshu, respond. Those who are not switching on video should answer first. Tini Panda, if the average is better, higher, that is better.
So I don't know. I was absent last class.
Last class is not required. This class is required. You are today present or absent? You are not listening. Trusita Mahapatra, all of you switch on video. Samran, all of you switch on video. If average is higher, I think this should be better. Nirvik, Bina Bhaya. Nirvik means Bhaya nahi hai. Bol.
Sir, I am confused here, sir.
Very good. Confusion is a good for health. Khushbu Rai, if average is higher, better.
No, sir. We have to find the lower average, which will tell that the current sample of trainees.
Address Nirvik why he is confused. Try to clarify his confusion with satisfactory explanation why it is so.
We are comparing here the number of days it takes on an average for the trainee to pick up their jobs or learn give a satisfactory result on their jobs. So if
अगर कंपनी से जो काम मिलेगा निर्भीक, ज्यादा टाइम हम लेंगे करने के लिए, कंपनी खुश होगा ना, है ना?
नहीं सर, खुश तो नहीं होगा सर, जितना काम में हो
वही
जाए
तो बोल
उतना-
रहे हैं ना, whatever work, whatever जो भी है, suppose selling car or assembling or whatever, number of days, number of hours, if you are doing it, okay? Suppose you are taking 8 hours, Khushbu is taking 7 hours, I'm taking 15 hours on an average. So I'm better.
No sir.
So that's what, so here what I'm asking, what we are observing. So we are observing here average time of completion. All of you agree? Now I recall fondly one of your super seniors, 6 years back. I can name her. She passed from the school of management, Rachna. I think you can follow her from my Facebook. She is now in US. Recently she got married. After passing from this school, again she came back, sent by the company to recruit the students. Are you getting my point? So she was with TCS and she was a student here. She came here as a recruiter. So when she came, like you, she was liking me. She just barged into my room that day. I remember. She told कि sir आपके बच्चे बड़ी ठीक नहीं. So I was surprised. आपके बच्चे means so can you guess like what is the meaning of this? आपके बच्चे ठीक नहीं है. So Nate, what is the meaning of this?
Your students.
You are translating it in.
Sir,
What
they
is-
are
what
not
is the
learning
question?
first, sir. They are not learning first as expected.
When she is coming, why one recruiter should come to KSM? Sunit,
Sir,
Ashish, Aliba.
to recruit good students, a good.
वो तो कोई भी बोलेगा to recruit नहीं करेगा क्या घूमेगा अंदर आके ग्रीनरी देखेगा
Filling vacancy.
रॉक गार्डन में. Why you will be visiting campus X? Why you will not be visiting campus Y? There are so many schools. So when you are coming to this, you have got prior idea assumption कि यहाँ का जो बच्चे हैं ठीक ठाक होंगे. So you have got prior assumption. So that assumption is called hypothesis. So you have got expectation कि यहाँ का बच्चे ऐसे ही मिलेंगे. So you have got assumption, no? So when you are recruited, after recruitment, you are finding that not fast learners. They are not picking up things. Are you getting my point? So this is what you had expected, what you are observing. What you are observing is T value, if you remember that formula, and the expected value, right? So this difference, you have to check whether it is really significantly different or not. Okay? जो PPT में है, that calculation, don't look at that answer. That is given just to confuse you. Okay? Now, how do we solve it? Any volunteer who is having digital pay? Ashish, will you do or should I do? The case of large sample test, comma.
Here 80.
Here it is a case of large sample, comma, one sample,
Large sample, comma.
तो सुन नहीं रहा. One sample, comma, one tail test. Any question anybody having? Clear, Sabita?
Yes, sir.
Next line. Writing one sentence, you have consumed the entire screen. Where you will be writing the solution. Here it is given, right? Here it is given. Samhita, help. X bar is value like
8.1.
very good. Why others are not answering? Write that. Step 1, null hypothesis. Ashish, you have to write that. Clear all. Start from beginning.
Step 1 is equal to null hypothesis.
No. Nobody will tell you. You have to write it. Why you are not listening?
Sir, mu equal to
So what we expected to be written here, first you have to write, either you write NH this way, as is, or you can write H0, like this, double dot. So as Aliva told, mu equals to how much, Aliva?
Sir, 8.1.
Now, what is the test formula?
So z equals to
X
x
bar
bar
minus mu by sigma
by
root
root
over
over of
n,
n.
right? What are the values? Aliva, fatapat help kar.
Sir, yes, sir. The value is 7.2 minus 8.1
Yes,
divided by 4.02
yes.
divided by root over of 95.
Anybody can help? What is the
Yes,
value?
sir. 2.18
2.189.
minus 2.18. That is
Is it written test at 1% or 5%?
Sir, 1%.
1%. It is on
1%. So
1%.
for 1%, level of significance, what is the tabulated value?
The 2.33.
2.33.
2.33. Okay. Now this is negative or positive? Is it 2.33? Sabita,
Yes, sir. It will be one-sided display. It's 2.33.
so before mod value, it will be negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative.
So if you are taking it negative, you have to take it negative. If you are taking it positive, you have to take it positive. Okay. So that there is no confusion, and you can put it like this. Okay. So here, if you have this, maybe this is higher side, you can put it positive side. This is 2.33. Sarada, this 2.18 will come here.
No, sir, left side.
So you are awake. I'm checking whether Sarada is awake or half past asleep. So this is here. So this, what should I write? Step 3, Sarada. Since
It's in critical range.
calculated value is less than tabulated value, so we have to, Sarada bol rahe, we have to, show bol rahe, Aliba,
Nice.
we have to accept
We have.
yes, sir. We have to accept.
in all of cases.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt, sir. If
Yeah, please ask.
like earlier you told that if the z value is negative, then you have to take the tabulated value also negative. So if we take in that case, then minus 2.18 and then minus 2.33.
See, we are
will go-
Anirban, Sunday. We are taking it as a right tail test.
Yes, sir.
If values will be higher, then that is bad.
Yes,
This
sir.
we understood from the case. You agreed or not?
Yes,
Or
sir.
should I repeat it?
Yes,
If
sir.
average value learning time is higher, that is not welcome.
Mhm.
So as we are putting the critical value here, right? So in this case, judiciously, you take both positive mod value.
Okay.
Okay.
So we
Suppose,
are.
listen. Suppose I got your point. If you are taking, all of you stop writing, listen to his question. Suppose I am taking here, okay. This is minus 2.33, right? So this will be minus 2.18. Anirban, will
Yes,
it
sir,
be
yes,
coming
sir.
here,
Yes,
region
sir.
1 or region 2? Which
One,
side
sir.
it will come?
One, sir. One.
1. So this area will be accepting or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah, understood.
Okay. So either way, the answer will be correct. But as you are taking the right hand tail, you take both positive. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So what is the conclusion? Shivanishwaro, Saswataratha.
Sir, we have to accept the null hypothesis.
वो हो गया रे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस गौतमी.
Sir, conclusion we have to accept, no?
अरे वो तो हो गया, उसके बाद who are you?
Sir, I'm recruiter.
अरे रिक्रूटमेंट तो हो गया, उसके आगे देखो ना. यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिक्रूटेड, यू हैव पुट देम ऑन प्रोबेशन. प्रोबेशन अभी कंप्लीट हो गया है. यू गॉट सम स्कोर. अभी जल्दी बोल.
Sir, we will have to accept that this batch is first learners and expected to
This
perform
batch
better.
is as expected, they are good. We cannot reject them. Okay, but please remember, if I put this question as test at 5%, Sharada, we have tested at 5% or 1%?
Sir, 1%.
Suppose I'm changing it to 5%. What will be the tabulated value? I'm asking
1.645.
1.645.
1.605, sir.
2.64.
2.64 or 1.64?
1.6. Oh, sorry,
1.64.
1.64.
So in that case, will you be accepting or rejecting?
Accepting, sir.
आशीष,
Rejecting.
तेरा कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Think,
तो सवेरे सवेरे कुछ लिया क्या? आशीष तो कुछ पके चुके रहे ना, पके दे जा.
Thanks.
अरे, in the other case 5% will be accepting or rejecting.
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 Okay, so be careful. If this question comes test at 5%, so the result is different. So actually, what example I just shared at the background of this particular example, at 5% they had tested and they found that batch, I think, not satisfactory. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat why you will reject that one? So it's the
खुशबू, take over फटाफट, address 1-to-1 आशीष नाम लेके. जल्दी बोल, unmute कर.
Ashish, अगर we will, when alpha is equal to 5%, then the tabulated value will be 1.645 and our calculated value is actually greater than that. So that's why we do not want our trainees to take more time to learn the job.
I think Ashish is not happy, not clear. Can I read from your face that you are not clear?
yes, sir. No.
In this case, 5%, what is the tabulated value? Jaldi bol.
Sir, 1.64.
1.645. What is the calculated value? What we have found here?
Okay. 2.18.
Now you are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear,
So
clear.
because it is exceeding our tolerance limit.
Sir, if
Tolerance
you
limit in lighter vein is a Lakshman Rekha. Gautam, you understand what is the meaning of Lakshman Rekha? अगर लक्ष्मण
Yes,
रेखा
sir.
क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, बुरा. Okay? Aliva बोल.
Sir, how can you explain me how we decided that it is a right tail test? That we want to know.
अरे यार, Ramayana is over. You are asking the gender of
Sir,
Sita.
if we will take that minus value, then we can take.
Forget
it in
about the minus value. What is the case? Case is we are observing the freshly recruited MBA student, whether they are fast learner, whether they are picking up things faster or not. Okay, you will be happy as HR personnel if they pick up fast. They are fast learner. Okay, if they take more time, this is actually not good for the company. You agree with me?
Yes,
So
sir.
higher, bad. So the right hand side is the critical region. It's a right tail test. Now
Okay.
coming to your question, how it is negative, I think Anirban or somebody was asking me that same question on the board call. Here, judiciously take right hand side means positive side. Take mod value, so you compare it. Okay, the difference is actually negative. You can take it as a mod value.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Am I clear? No.
Yes, sir, you are clear. I can get it.
So can we move to the next question? Is my screen visible, Sunit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you read the question quickly. Better you take these two questions screenshot together so that you can discuss. All of you read the question, take a screenshot, please, so that I can stop sharing.
Hilton Press hypothesis that the average life of the
Are
wave
you reading? Are you reading word by word? All can read. Any volunteer? Neha?
Yes, sir. So here X bar is 13,000.
नहीं, यहाँ प्रोडक्ट क्या है, हमें क्या चाहिए, when will be happy, when will be critical. एग्जाम्पल अगर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, all of us, please listen to me. Every time I'll ask in hypothesis testing, what you are testing, why you are testing, where your interest lies. Repeat. What you are testing, why you are testing, where your interest lies. Where your interest lies means when will be happy, when will be unhappy. Neha, is my suggestion question clear or should I elaborate further?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Try,
So
try, give it a try.
Yes, sir. So we are testing here the life of the largest web press.
Printing press machine है, ठीक है. So
Yes,
when
sir.
will be happy?
When it will work for more hours.
So life of the machine we are checking. So all of you
Yes.
should explain this way. We are checking, testing the life of the machine. If the machine runs, last for many days, months, years, that is good or bad, it is Pushti. In one word, 5 seconds में बोल. So, Sunita Acharya, why you are discussing this? From this, what we are understanding?
Sir, we're understanding that if the life of the machine will be less, then it will be bad, and if it is more.
I think you are
than
not getting my point. Why you are discussing this? Shivanishwar, Aliva Mishra, in that order, फटाफट बोलो, unmute करके रखो.
So because we have to test whether the life will be
अरे
more.
one till test, two till test, we are deciding.
One till test.
One
One
till
till test.
That's what
One
I
till
wanted
test.
to, Neha Mukherjee. So when we are discussing, presenting a case, we need to understand life of the machine we are testing, checking. If it is less, then we'll be happy or unhappy.
Unhappy.
So where will be the critical region?
So right side.
अरे
So left
बेटा,
side.
left
तू भी
side.
confusion है रे.
Left side.
left
So
side.
higher back.
Left side.
So
अरे बेटा,
in
higher
last case.
होगा तो you will be unhappy.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now clear, sir.
हाँ, तो shaded area कहाँ पर shading करेंगे? Left hand side में ना?
Left side, sir.
So this will be clearly left tail test. So वही
Yes.
बोलना था, when you're discussing, you have to be clear. ये one tail test वाला example है left tail test. All of you are clear? Samajit Maiti?
Yes, sir.
So it's a large sample or small sample? कैसे पता चलेगा? टीनी पंडा?
More than 30.
More than 30.
ये large sample है या नहीं? देख के बताओ ना.
Large sample.
Large sample है.
Large
Okay.
35.
35.
The way Ashish was writing that last example, in this case, so I guess we should start writing here. It's a case of large sample
Left tilt test.
One sample and
One
one
tilt.
test.
One tilt.
And if you are very confident, you can write left tail test. Is it clear? Here, give in. Avik, help करके बता. What is mu? What is x bar? What is sigma?
Sir, X bar
Yeah.
is 14,500.
X bar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, mu.
No, sir.
The mu is
14,000.
Mu
14,500.
is 14,500.
Mu
Mu
क्या
is
है?
30,000, no, sir. 13,000 mu.
X bar is 13,000.
X bar is 13,000.
The mean of sample, that is 13,000.
Yes,
अरे
sir.
आशीष तोर कौन आज गड़बड़ कहीं करे? Mu, just read the question and tell. What is mu? What company is telling? Khushbu?
Yes, sir. The company says that the average
Mu.
of the sample 35 races is 13,000. That is X bar is 13,000. And the average of the population is, that is new, is equal to 14,500.
ये जो दिख रहा है कम दिख रहा है कम ज्यादा दिख रहा है अभी जो without calculation you can know that this is less. Now you start doubting. Okay, sigma is
It's
how much?
14,500, sir.
ठीक है. Sigma कितना?
2,100.
Okay, n.
35.
35.
35.
Okay. So what is step one, Aliba?
Sir, null hypothesis, that is mu equals to 14,500.
When all of your writing start zero colon double dot. Ashish bhai kira double dot mane to jhala bari padtila. So H0 means like this, mu equals to 14,500. Actually, this is nothing but you are assuming that x bar equals to mu. Okay, so this is what either way you can write it. Okay, so this is better. Now, Barnali Patnaik, what is step 2?
So we have to find Z.
Formula is
Mean.
x bar minus mu by sigma upon root n. Okay. Now, what is the value?
13,000 minus 14,500 divided by 2,100.
Anybody having calculator? Fatafat karo.
21,000, sir.
2,100 divided by root over of 35. Answer is minus 4.225.
4.2.
Avik, it is 2,100, not
Yes, sir. No.
21,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Avik, you have a digital pen.
Right now, no, sir.
Why?
It's downstairs.
All
Sir.
of you should have digital pen. कैसे होगा online class? So now, if you put this, how the value will appear? Is it mentioned test at 1% or 5%? Is it written?
1%.
1%.
1%.
1%, sir.
1%.
1%, what is the value?
2.33.
2.33.
2.33. If it is on critical is on left hand side, Khushbu,
Minus
Sambita, what will be written?
minus
Minus
2.3.
2.3. Okay. Sambita, the value, calculate value will come here,
Minus 4
or
point.
here, or here.
Sir, your
1,
left
2,
side.
3.
3.
Very good. All of you are clear? So minus 4.225.
2 to 5.
So this is in the critical area. All of you are clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the sentence we should write? Sambita, tell me.
So null hypothesis rejected.
Since calculated value is greater than tabulated value, you have to write like this. Reject null hypothesis. So next sentence is more important. So what should we conclude? Sambita?
Sir, then the life process is less than the hypothesized 14,500 hours.
So the company's claim is not true. Can I write that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You better write that company's
Because
claim
the item is less than the
on printing press life is not clearly confident बोलो यही तो बोलना चाहिए ना. So when you are concluding, be confident, right? You have to tell this. Is it clear? Okay. The way you discuss the last case, in this case, what exactly we are checking, testing, when will be happy? Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir.
Right?
So the average running of a movie in a
Mhm.
city, average
Mhm.
running days.
Okay. Then Shantanu Mishra take over from Tapan, what Tapan told. Shantanu, your audio problem, okay. Then Gautami take over. Then Shivani get ready. Jaldi bolo, save time karo.
Sir, in a study, it is found that a hit movie runs in American theaters that
Are
a hit.
you take over means whatever discussion, why you are going back?
Okay,
You are not
sir.
getting. When will be happy? What we are verifying?
So we will be happy when the average is more than 81.5 days.
Yes. Can you guess, Shivani, dear, who you are? When I'm asking, who is the decision maker? Who would be interested in this type of information of the case? Suppose there is a role playing. Who would be involved? Who is interested in this type of information to know?
So the American theaters.
The manager of the Southeast.
Sir,
Manager.
Okay, let me share some jokes here. I don't know, etc. Panigrahi, have you heard of a movie called Sholay? Sholay, na suni today. Abhi suna hai kabhi?
Sir.
Have you seen that Sholay movie?
Yes, sir.
Sarada, you watch movie? No. Neha, how many times you have seen Sholay? Why I'm just asking, when I joined as a teacher at Barampur University in 87, me and one of my colleagues were staying together. We were bachelor. So one night, my friend's father came. They are from South Odisha, as you might have heard. South Odisha people, usually, not generalization, they like to watch movie and they repeat going for the same movie also. I remember we were dining together in the night and somehow like the topic went to something related to Sholay. Then the uncle, my friend's father is telling the nickname. Tuna, how many times you have seen Sholay? It's okay. So he told immediately about 6 times. How many times you have seen? He told, "Arey, 9 times." So I'm just like telling just one movie, how you repeat so many times. I was like quite surprised. I still remember that. And I'm just telling this particular movie, Sholay. Those who know those days, this movie was something like super duper blockbuster, and it ran and ran and ran for weeks together, years together. I think that those days, it was such a craze. Even dreaded dockets, okay, on whose head huge ransom was there. They used to come in disguise and used to watch that Sholay movie. Okay, Gautami Srivastav, am I boring you?
yes,
Sundre.
no, sir.
So those days, those who have read history, there was a dreaded docket called Makhan Singh in Chambol Ravine, and such a dreaded docket. And as you know, some daredevil journalists, they somehow managed to go to the criminals and they take interview. So that journalist actually had printed one news item, I still recall. And he was asking so many things, how is life, how you do it, why you are killing, like this. So both, so now after that he asked, and because he was there under the mercy of the docket, he was asking, sir, you are working like Gabbar Singh? He laughed. He told, okay, are you asking about Sholay? I have seen Sholay. So he was surprised. A dreaded docket like police are after him. How could he go to a crowded hall and watch? That was the question of the journalist. He told, okay, when we can identify Sarada's house, Chandita's house, we can loot their house. You are asking how we are managing. We have the ways. We, in this case, I have seen Sholay many times. So what I'm suggesting is, coming back to the case, come back to the business management of this. As you might have heard, movie distribution is a huge business. The movie distributor, when I'm asking who are you here, so the movie distributor who would be interested in a movie chalega nahi chalega. Okay? And if you know, Hindi movies distribution right are given to some rich person in Gulf countries, Dubai, whatever, okay? And they pay in advance. Nirbhik, malum hai re. Suppose there is a movie called DDLJ, whatever. And you tell K, I'll be taking right, and I'm taking the beat, I'll be giving you this many crores, so 500 crore. Okay. So you are taking a gamble, a movie chalega nahi chalega. Okay. Suppose you are taking the rights of the Rajinikanth starter movie and you are running for North India. North India distribution ka, you have the exclusive right. So in that case, try to understand whether a movie is running or not. You'll be deciding a case like this. Ye chalega nahi chalega. Okay. So that way you are taking a sample. You do not know whether you'll be running in every town or not. Okay. So I am happy that the person who started this case discussion, yes, more the merrier, and it is a lab-tail test. Okay, this much we have done. Now from that angle, you are checking whether actually you have got a benchmark. Agar itna chalta hai, to I will be taking the distribution right hand. So from that angle, we are now thinking whether this is acceptable or not. Okay, acceptable means what? Aliba mission. You have got some expectation, ye movie, ye chalega. Up to these days, whether it is continuously, if it is running in one hall, cinema theater, how many days continuously people come? Okay, full, crowded. Okay, all of you are clear about this? Anybody having any doubt? Ask me. Sure. If it is clear, then take it as a assignment or practice test. That example is similar. Hope you can do that also. And I don't know whether you have taken screenshot of this or not. The last one, 8.28. Is my screen visible? One of you respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please quickly take screenshot and we can discuss it. Like the last example, we want fast learners. Try to pick up fast. Can you get the meaning, essence of the case quick? And maybe like less than a minute, one of you can volunteer, raise your hand so that we can start. Read fast, slowly you can pick up. We want fast learners. Any volunteer can please try. Mainly you have to tell us what is the case, what exactly you want verified, and where, when we'll be happy. So that will help us in deciding whether it is one-tail test, two-tail test, left tail or right tail. Okay, a new volunteer who can please start. More is
No,
good.
sir. Higher is good, so it will be left till test.
Yes, yes, yes. Like last time also you had slight confusion. Yeah. You have
Yes,
studied
sir.
well. So write carefully, coolly in exam. Here you are checking, testing what? Brightness of bulb, right?
Yes, sir.
Brightness is measured in what, Sarada? Lumens. Okay, the unit of measurement is lumens. And if it is higher, better. Okay. So left hand side will be critical region, left tail test. I hope this is a last sample test. 40 new balls made.
Yes, sir.
Last sample test.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you see this particular question? All of you listen to me carefully. Sometimes some MA students make some silly mistake in this question. I'm just sharing from my experience. Nirvik sun rahe, kya kar raha hai? So here there are three values. Three values जो बोल रहा हूँ. What are the three values I'm referring to?
Intensity of light. Three intensity of light.
हाँ, three values क्या क्या है?
950, 750, 954.
954.
हमें फॉर्मूला में कितना वैल्यू चाहिए न्यूमरेटर में?
दो वैल्यू चाहिए.
So one जानबूझ के स्टूडेंट को कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया गया है. Are you getting my point? Sharada, give it a try. What is
750. 750 कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया.
Sir, can you repeat again?
तो बीच बीच में सो जाता है क्या? शारदा आप फिर से रिपीट कर रहे, एक्सप्लेन कर रहे शारदा. वन टू वन.
सर बोले कि यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज करने के लिए तीन वैल्यू दिया गया है जो कि है 960 और 750 और 954. लेकिन हमको तो फॉर्मूला में दो वैल्यू चाहिए ना, तो सर वही बोल रहे थे.
हाँ तो बोलना कौन सा वैल्यू लेना है, कौन सा
सर
नहीं.
सर 960 लेना है.
आशीष को एड्रेस कर.
आशीष, यहाँ पर देखो प्रीवियस वाला येल मॉडल दैट प्रोड्यूस्ड ओनली 750 लेमन्स, तो वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया है हमको.
So that is only for reference. Okay, in the formula you have to have X bar. What is X bar, Ashish? You have to tell. Only Ashish Paikra should tell. What is X bar?
960.
Very good. You will be getting minus 10 marks today. CR, note down Ashish Paikra's roll number.
Sorry, 950.
Don't do silly mistake in exam.
Yes,
So
sir.
954 is what you found, what you observed against the expectation. You expected 960. Okay, so numerator will be 954 minus 960. Right. And here in this question, it is given to be tested at 5% level. Okay. And Sarada, you got digital pen? हाँ या ना बोल. अभी कह क्या रहे? हाँ सरदा शेयर कर. सरदा शेयर कर. फटाफट.
Sir, 1 minute.
The values. Put the values. Just right hand side directly put the values. Let's be faster. Sarada help कर. Value तो बोल रहे.
954 minus 960.
By
Divided by 18.4 divided by root over of 40.
Root over 40.
So final value
Minus
2.06.
2.061.
okay. Now this will be tested at 5%. You write below that Khushbu, at 5% level the tabulated value is
Minus 1.64.
so next line. What should be the next line, Sarada? Ekdam standard format. Since calculated value
Is
higher than
the tabulated value.
so we have to accept or reject.
Reject.
Very good. So we are rejecting the null hypothesis. Okay. So can anybody have the last conclusion? So what is the message going to public? Sarada?
So the
ball is good?
Ball. No, sir, not good.
Okay, I'm just checking whether you are awake or half awake. So clearly write the ball recently produced is not as expected, not up to the expected level. So the message should be clear, right? Okay.
For COVID cases, if the value is less, then it will be more convenient for us at the time. That will be right-tailed case. Okay, higher the value, the critical region will be right side, and in case of the mileage, the left side value will be the critical region. And it depends upon the questions. We just can say that it will be
Still
right
not
side.
clear? Khushbu, still not happy?
So like it depends, like, if we want the value to be higher, it does not depend on the value of the sample.
Past,
No.
very simple. We just see which is good for us, which is not good for us. Okay, that printing press machine life. You just clarify which side will be the critical region. Critical region means which is not acceptable to us. Where will be critical, where will be unhappy. Khushbu, answer quickly, unmute.
On the lower side, we will be unhappier.
Okay, so right hand side, okay, we are like not critical. So that way you have to decide whether it is one tail test or two tail test. Okay, clear?
Yes.